Why do we fall ill? Which we do in exercise, we realize that the health and disease in human communities are very complex issue with many interconnected causes. We also realize that the idea of what health and disease mean all themselves very complicated. When we cause the disease, how we prevent them have to being asking what these nothing mean. We have seen the cell are a basic unit of living being. Cell are made of a variety of chemical substances, protein, carbohydrate, fats and lipid and so on. All throughout the picture of a quite a static reality in living cell and dynamic piece something or the other always happening. Cell move from place to place, even the in cell work that do not move. There is repair going on. New cell are being made of an organ or tissue. There are various specialized activity going on. The heart is beating, the lung are breathing, the kidney is filtering urine and the brain is thinking. All these activities are interconnected. For example, if the kidney are not filtering urine, poisonous substance will accumulate under the condition. The brain will not able to think properly. For all interconnected activities, energy and raw material are needed outside the body. In other words, food is necessary for cell tissue function. Anything to prevent proper functioning of cell tissue and lack of proper activity of body. In this context, that we will look at the notion of health, disease, health and its failure, the significance of health. We have heard the word health used quite frequently all around us. We use ourselves when we think my grandmother health is not good. Our teacher when it is called us saying this healthy attitude was a word of a healthy it. We think about it realize that is always amplifies the idea of being well. We can think the well-being as effective functioning for our grandmother, being able to out to a market or visit neighbor, the being well and not being able to such think poor health and being interested in following teaching in the classroom of the. We can understand the world is called a healthy attitude while not being interested is called the opposite. Health of therefore is a state of being enough to function well both physically, mentally and socially. Person and community issue both matter for health. It means the state of physical, mental and social well-being. It cannot be something that each one of us can achieve entirely in our the health or organism will depend on their surrounding, on their environment. The environment includes a physical environment. So the example health is a risk cyclone is many way, but even more important, human being alive in societies, our environment, individual health. We will live villages and cities in such in our physical environment is decided by our social environment. Consider what will happen if no agency ensuring garbage was collected and disposed. What would happen if one take responsibility for clearing the drain and ensuring does not collect in the street or open space. So if there is a great deal of garbage thrown in our street, or if there is an open drain, the possibility of poor health increases. Therefore, public area is important for individual health. We need food for health, and this food will have to earn to doing work. For this, the opportunity to work has to be available. Good economic condition and job are therefore need to individual health. We need to be happy in order to be truly healthy, and if we mistreat each other and afraid each other, we cannot happy to say social equality, harmony are therefore necessary. Individual health, we think of many other examples of connectivity between community tissue and individual health. The dictionary between health and disease field. if this is what we mean by the health, what do we mean by the disease? What actually is explanatory view We can think of its disease other word of literally mean being unfortunate. However, the word is used more light limited meaning in the talk disease whenever we can fix. 5. The specific particular cause for discomfort. This does not mean that we have no the absolute final cause. We can say that the someone suffering from diarrhea without knowing except what has caused the loose motion. We can now easily see the possible how we have poor health without actually suffering from the particular disease. Simply not being disease is not same as being have good health. For a dancer may mean being able to stretch his good body into difficult but graceful position. On his other hand, good health for musician may mean having enough breathing capacity in his her lung to control notes, is a flute to have the opportunity to realize unique potential necessary to the real health. So we can be poor health without there being a simple cause in a form unidentified disease. This is the reason why when we think about health, we think about societies and communities. On the other hand, and when we think about disease, we think about individual suffer. Disease and its causes. What is a disease look like? Let us think a little more about the disease in the first place. How do we know there disease? In other word, how do we know something wrong in the body? There is many tissue in the body, as I have been seen in chapter 6. Tissue is a psychological system. Is organ carry out a function of the organ system, specific organ, its particular function. So the digestive system and stomach and intestines and help the digestion taken outside the body. Musculoskeletal system, which is made of bone and muscle, hold body parts together and help body move. When there is a disease, either the functioning appearance one or more system or the body will change or worse. These changes give rise to a sign thoughts and scientists report disease are the thing are being wrong. So we have a headache and we have cold and a loose emotion. Will because there was a symptom to indicate the disease, do not indicate the disease. For example, headache examination tray very rarely magnets in 1 dozen different disease. Sign of a disease physical will look basic of symptoms sign will little more definite indication of the presence of particular disease. Physical that laboratory tests then point a disease further. Acute and chronic disease manifestation of disease will be different depending on a number of factors. One of the most obvious factors that determine how we perceive the disease in its duration. Some disease lasts for only very short period of time. This is called acute. We know all experience a common last for only a few days. Alignment can last for 10 years or even much of a lifetime. Is called a chronic disease. An example of infection causing explanations which very common in some part in India. Chronic disease and poor health. As we can imagine, acute and chronic disease have different effect on our health, and any disease that cause poor functioning of some part of body will affect our general health as well. This is because all function of the body are necessary for general health, but an acute disease which is however very soon not having a cause major effect in general health, while a chronic disease will do so. As example, what is common and cold is have time to most or better it becomes, and within there are also no bad effect on our health. We do lose weight, we do not become short or benefit breathe, we do not feel tired all because food organ cold, but if we infected with a chronic disease such as tuberculosis of the lungs, then being ill over the year does make us lose weight and feel tired all the time. We may not go to school for a few days and acute disease, but a chronic disease will make it difficult to flow. Uh, what is being the school reduce and ability for learn better. In other words, in are likely in poor general poor health care, chronic disease therefore have very drastic long-term effect on people health compared to acute disease. Cause of disease. What cause disease? When we think about the cause of disease, we must remember that there is many level of such cause. Let us look at an example. If there is a suffering from loose motion, we can say the cause of a loose motion infection with the virus, and the cause of disease is a virus. But the next question is, where did the virus come from? Suppose we find the virus came through unclean drinking water, but may babies have unclean drinking water? Why does the baby develop loose motion when the other baby did not? One reason might that the baby is not healthy is a result might likely having a disease exposed to risk areas. Healthy babies will not. Why is a baby not healthy? Parents because it is not well nourished. Nourishment food, so nourishment becomes a second cause of a disease of suffering or further way. Why is the baby is not well nourished? Because it was a household which is poor. It is also possible that the baby some genetic difference that makes it more likely and suffer from motion. Loose motion and loose motion when exposed without genetic difference or the poor nourishment alone will not lead to loose motion. Will they do become contributing cause of the disease? Why was there no clean drinking water for the baby? Because the public service is poor, whereas the baby family lives in poverty. Lack public service become third level cause of the baby disease. It will not be obvious that all disease will immediate cause contribute cause also disease will many cause rather than the single cause infection and non-infection cause. As we have seen, an important key public health and community health factor in mind when we think about causes of disease, and we take an approach of a little further. It is a useful thing. An immediate cause of a disease belonging to a distinct type of group was instantaneous agent, mostly microbes or microorganism disease, micro, and an immediate cause of a cold and infectious disease. And because the microbe can spread in the community with disease, they will spread with them. One of them, on the other hand, there are also diseases are not caused in infection agents. Their cause vary, but they are external causes. Microbes can spread in the community instead. The most internal and non-infectious causes, for example, some cancer are caused by the genetic abnormalities. High blood pressure can cause excessive weight or lack of example. We can think of many other diseases where immediate cause will not infectious. The way in which disease spread, in which they can treat and prevent community level will be different. Different diseases will depend on other immediate cause, infectious and non-infectious. Infection disease, infectious agents of this entirely diversity in a living world can be classified into a few groups. The classification is based on the common characteristic between different organisms that can cause disease found in a wide range such as categories. Classification: some of the virus are bacteria and some fungi are the called celled animal protozoa. Some diseases are caused in multicellular organisms such as born of different kind. Common example of a disease caused by a virus and common cold, influenza, dengue, fever, and AIDS. Disease like a typhoid fever, cholera, tuberculosis, anthrax, and caused by a bacterium, and common skin infection caused by different kind of a protozoa, microbes caused by familiar diseases. Malaria is a kala azar. All of these come from across and shell. Borne infection is a disease like elephantiasis caused by different species of worm. Why it is important we think of these category infectious agent as a also that is a category important factor deciding the what kind of treatment is used member to each one of the group virus bacteria so on. The many biological characteristics common all viruses are example of like inside host cell various bacteria varies related to virus bacteria and fungi multiply quickly while multiply very slow in a comparison taxonomically all bacteria closely relate to other virus and vice versa. This means that many important life processes similar bacteria group does not share the virus group. As a result, the drug block on these life processing member of a group is likely and effective against many other member of a group is but the same drug will not against a microbe being in a different group. As an example, we take an antibiotic commonly and biochemical pathway is important for bacteria. Many bacteria, for example, make a cell wall to protect themselves when the antibiotic penicillin block the bacteria processing so that will build a cell wall. As a result, the growing bacteria become unable to cell wall die easily. Normal cell do not take cell wall anyway. The penicillin was called the effect on a penicillin have a effect on any bacteria processing make a cell wall. Similarly, antibiotic work against many species of bacteria rather than simplify working against one. But virus are do not bath with all the reason antibiotic against the viral infection. They have the common cold. Taking antibiotic does not reduce early duration of a device. However, do not have bacterial infection along the viral cold. Taking will do against the bacteria part of the infection. Note the viral infection means the spread. How does infection disease spread? Many microbial agent can commonly move the foreign affected person, someone in variety of now other word and we can say communicated also. So are chemical disease such as disease causing microbial thrown in a air occur through in a little droplet in an infected person sneeze and cough and someone standing by the breath if these droplet microbes get a chance to infection. Example of a disease spread in air common cold pneumonia, tuberculosis when we experience sitting near someone suffering in a cold and catching ourselves obvious or more likely such as airborne will spread. Disease can also be spread through the occur in extracta of a suffering infection. Disease causes cholera and drinking water used in a living nearby cholera causing microbe will enter in new host through the water. Drinking causes diseases such as disease are much more likely spread in absence of safe supplies of drinking water. The sexual act of one of the closest physical contact or two people can have each other's sprinkling. There is a microbe disease, syphilis, AIDS, transmitted sexual contact from a partner. However, such a sexually transmitted disease not spread. Casual physical contact cause physical contact include handshake, oral hugs, or sport like wrestling and other way of touching other socially or other than a sexual contact. AIDS virus spread through blood to blood contact. Infected people from an infected mother baby during pregnancy or breastfeeding. The environment is full many creatures part of it. Inevitable of a many disease will be transmitted on other animals. These animals carry an infecting agent from a sick person of another potential host. These animals are thus intermediates and are called a vector. The commonest vector we all know the mosquito is many species of mosquito female and need highly nutritious food is form of blood in order to be able lay mature egg. Mosquitoes feed on a may warm blooded animal including as a way of they can transfer disease one person to person. Organ specific and tissue specific magnification. The disease causing microbes enter the body through the different veins. They do for them, then body is large when compared to microbes, so then the main possible place organ or tissue and microbes and same tissue organ do not go a different one. A different species microbes seem and have involved home in a different part of the body. Part the selection of one connected to their point of entry. If they enter from the air via the nose, they likely to the lungs. This is in a bacteria causing tuberculosis and enter through the mouth and we stay and leaning like a typhoid causing bacteria, or they can go the liver and viruses cause jaundice. But is not always the case on an infection. HIV and common of the body of the sexual organ spread a lamp or nodes all over the body. Malaria causing the microbe entering through a mosquito bite will go a liver through a red blood cell virus causing Japanese places brain fever. Similarly enter through a mosquito bite goes on the infect of the brain. Two signs of symptom of the disease depend on a tissue organ which is the microbe. Target of lungs are the target symptom of cold and breath lenses of liver. A target is there is a jaundice. Brain is a target will observe headache, vomiting, or some unconscious. We can imagine the symptoms of a sign. Infection will be known as a target of your tissue organ is a function carried over this tissue or organ. In addition, these tissue specific will infectious disease. There is other conditions effect to most of the common bacteria depend on the effect of body. Immune system is activates response of infection. Immune system is security. Many self-infected the kill of the protected called inflammation of a part of a process called a local effect of a swelling, pain, general effects such as a fever. Some cases of tissue specific infection leads to very general seeming effect. Example HIV goes the immune system and the damage functions as many of the effect HIV and AIDS and because the body can longer fight in a mineral infection. The every day instead of every cold become a pre-pneumonia. Similarly, a mirror gut infection can produce major diarrhea, will blood loss in ultimately it's these infections that kill people suffering from HIV AIDS. It is also important to remember that the severity of a disease manifestation depend on the number of microbes of body. In the number of microbes are very small, the disease manifestation may be mirror noticed, but if the number of the same microbes as a disease serve enough treatment, immune system is a factor determine number of the microbes surviving body. We will look into the aspect of later in this chapter. Principle of treatment. That the taken a familiar of the sick. Have you ever thought why you sometimes feel better in your sleep? Some of the time treatment involved medicines. Based on we have learned to the world aware of the two-way of treatment. Infectious disease one would reduce the effect of disease and other kill the cause of disease. For the first we can say provide the treatment will reduce symptom. The symptom of usually because the inflammation of for example we can take medicine bring fever, reduce losing motion. We can take bed rest to move constant our energy. This will enable to have a more available focus on healing. But the kind symptom directly treatment itself take away infection, microbe go away from the disease will not be cared from that the needed kill of microbes. How do we microbes one way in the to medicine kill microbe? We can see here microbe class into different characters: virus, bacteria, fungi or protozoa. Each of the group of cancer which has some essential biochemical life of process which is a peculiar to that group and not share that the other group. The process may be a pathway For the synthesis, for the for new substance respiration, there is a pathway not used by the other. Example, the cell may make a substance mechanism different from the use of bacteria. Find a drug that is a block a bacterial synthesis pathway without affecting our organ. This is what is achieve antibiotic bacteria are all familiar with it. Similarly, there are drug and drugs are malaric parasite organism making antiviral medicine harder than making antibacterial medicine. Virus make a few biochemical mechanism on their own. They enter our cell and use of mechanical code in their process. This means that we are relatively virus specific target to aim the despite this limitation of the now the effective drug example of the HIV infection under control. Principles of prevention. Poor that traveler take about the ideal without how to get right infection of someone who has the disease, but there are the three limitation of approach to dealing with the infection disease. The first, that when someone has a disease, their body has a damage may never recover completely. The second, treatment will take which mean that someone suffering from a disease is likely to be a bedridden from some time even we can give a proper treatment. Third is that is a person suffering from infectious disease cancer, the source of the where infection may spread in other people leads to the multiplication of the above difficulties. It is because of such a reason prevention of disease better than in their cure. How can we prevent the disease? There are two ways, one general, one specific to each disease. The general way of preventing infection most relate to preventing exposure. How can we prevent the explosion in infectious microbe? If we look at the mean of the spreading, we get some easy answer. Of airborne, the microbe can be prevent exposure by providing living conditions that are not overcrowded. For waterborne microbe, we can prevent exposure by providing safe drinking water. This can be done by treating the water to kill any microbial contamination. For vector-borne infection, we can provide clean environment. This will not, for example, allow mosquito breeding. In other words, public hygiene and basic key of the prevention of the infectious disease. The disease, these issues that the related environment that are another principle prevent infectious disease. To appreciate those principles, let us ask a question. We have not looked at so for normally for infection every day. Someone suffering in a cold, class likely the children sitting in around the exposure to the infection, but all them do not actually suffer from the disease. Why not? This is because the immune system of our body is normally fighting off microbe. We have a cell specialized of killing infecting microbe. This cell go into action or infecting microbe enter the body. If they are successful, we do not actually come down with any disease. The immune cell manage to kill of infection long. Therefore, assume a major proportion of notice earlier in this number injecting a microbe is a controlling manifestation of disease will manner. In other words, becoming exposed infected infectious microbe not necessarily mean developing noticeable disease. So one way to looking the result infectious disease are the present lack of a success immune system. Functioning of the immune system like other system in our body will not good. With proper sufficient nourishment, food is not available. Therefore, second basic principle of prevention infectious disease is not available for proper sufficient food of everyone. There are general way of preventing infection. There are specific ways that are related premier property in immune system are usually fight of microbial infection. Example of the try understand this property. The day there is a smallpox anywhere world in a recent 400 years, smallpox endemic where is the uncommon is endemic. People use and afraid coming near to suffering the disease. They are afraid to catching for that disease. However, the group of people do not fear the world provide nourishing victims smallpox. A group who had smallpox survived and not through the carrying world disease, smallpox, there is a chance to suffering again. So having a disease so mean preventing subsequent attack for the same disease in them happen because the immune system is an infectious microbe is a respond against them, especially next time particular microbe relative enter the body. Immune system respond even rises estimate infection quickly around this basic principle of immunization. We can now say the general principle of the full immune system into a developing memory particle infection putting into mimics of a microbe won't vaccinate against into a body does not actually cause the disease but the would prevent subsequent explosion infective microbes turning into the actual disease. Many such vaccines are not available for preventing whole range of infectious disease or provide disease specific means of prevention. There are vaccines against tetanus of diphtheria, whooping cough, measles, polio, may other these form public health program childhood immunization of preventing infectious disease. Immunization for preventing infectious disease or cause such as a program can be successful health measuring of available children. Can you think in a reason why we should be so the hepatitis virus which causes jaundice are transmitted through water. There are vaccine hepatitis A market majority children part of Indian already immune hepatitis in by the time they have a 5-year-old because of exposure the virus through water under these information. What do you take the vaccine?